does not want to leave this place. Man. Cold and chilly morning. Come on, we're going to go put a coil in. I got to play musical cars. It's Carmageddon out here. That's the way love goes. Oh, you guys know y'all had a boner for Janet Jackson back in the day. I'm gonna go rehang the evaporator coil on that job where I did the pump down a couple videos ago. We'll clean that evaporator coil up and get it rehung, repiped, change the liquid line dryer on that unit and pull vacuum. And then get it back up and running. I gotta go through that low pressure control. We might have to replace it. We'll see. I'm sure it's hung up once, it's gonna hung up again, right? So let's see if we can put together some video for everybody. Alright, so I removed that pressure switch. My voice is muffled because I got my mask on. Remove the pressure switch. I'm prepping the dryer. I'm going to put in a bigger dryer, a 163. I think this is a 108. Or 083, pardon me. And I'm going to put in a 163. So I'm going to cut it back here. And then I'll sweat it out right here. And I'm just going to use the encapsulated pressure switches. I've had really good luck with these. Cut out at 5, cut in at 20 for pump down. That's a Mars 43341. Down and dirty to replace that. And that's my dryer. You ever wondered how my mind thinks? So I went and got the torch. And I got, today we're using the New Bright. Yeah, this coil's gonna fall apart. So you can't get on it too hard because the ocean eats the fins up on these things. Because we're right by the water here. Okay, so we'll knock that off. This condensing unit, I'm not sure how old the condenser is. It's not that old. If I did that compressor in 14, I think the condensing unit was only 2 years old then. So it was a 2012. And now I'm going to spray this on here, then I'll bring up my pump sprayer to rinse it all out. But we just want to get something in there and get her cleaned up. So she can breathe again. There. Save some for the evaporator coil. We'll let that foam up while I'm working on this other stuff. Okay. I got some heat blocking compound to help protect the sight glass. Bam. She'll come off of there nice and clean. The Champion Pro Series. Model 26021 XP. And then look here, I have to put this on there to keep the hippies happy. Water only. Alright. That's where the coil was. Refrigeration lines, drain line, electrical. And the box is all cleaned up. Looks good. Tiny little box. That's all spit shine and looking good. Now let's go show you that coil. The coil's filthy. And the coil out right here. I'm going to take that panel off so I take the thermostat out of the way, but I'm going to take all this apart. You can see she's getting dirty. Pluggo, buggo. Got the fan guards off. There's some good fuzz in there. Look at that. Now we're going to take the fan blades out. We'll get all this washed up separate, and I'm going to take that off so we don't kill the thermostat. Alright, I got the fan blades and the guards off. I had it flipped upside down. I got the screws out for the drain pan. There's the inside of it. Look at this. There's our drain pan, not too bad. A couple corners of scuds. We'll get this all washed out too. Solenoid valve, H.V.A.C. basics. And then there's the coil. We can backwash it from here. And get it all tidied up. So we can knock off some of the hard stuff. Yeah, be careful. This stuff's real nasty. Alright. That's what's on there. It's like a little sweater. There she is. She's all cleaned up and back to hanging. You know, it's got thermostat. She's all back together and hanging, ready for business.